Hey everyone, a new pair of shorts by Judy Blue. These are like a denim patch distress, so it has distressing, but it is a full denim patch underneath, and it is like super dark as a contrast from like the medium wash of the shorts. Distressed hemline, but it's got stitching, so it's not going to distress any further up. And it is the same fit that we know and love in Judy Blue denim. So I'm 5'10", and you can kind of see like it's not short, like that would be short shorts. They're not short shorts at all. All the measurements are in the description, and same as other shorts, you can see it's not fitted or tight around the leg, and they're super stretchy, both in the legs and the waistband. Like super stretchy, and you don't need to worry, nothing is on show. They are so comfy, and I love this denim patch look. I think it's super fun and super cute, and it's a great way to have distressing without actually having holes, for those of you that don't want any holes in your denim. So we have these ones in small, medium, large, XL, 1X, 2X, 3X, and these are going to fit exactly the same as any of your shorts you have already this year by Judy Blue. So small 0 to 6, medium 6 through 10, large is going to be 10 through 13, XL is going to be your 13 and 15, then 1X is going to be your 14 and 16W, 2X is going to be your 18 and 20W, and 3X is going to be your 20 and 22W. If you have any questions on these ones, feel free to send us a message. Technically they're mid-rise, but they're a lot higher than the rest of my normal mid-rise. So, and you can definitely pull them down a little bit to be lower. I can also wear medium in these, and they fit almost exactly the same, just a little bit looser on the hips. So if your size is sold out, feel free to go upper size. So if you're normally a medium, you can wear medium or large. Any other questions though, send us a message and we'll help you out.